Rich Robin here, Rich's Rants, do-it-yourself videos. Today, I had to order, or actually I already ordered and received today, a new hood sensor. So this one's busted. I'll take the new one out and show you. But there's supposed to be a pin that goes up and down right here that's kind of in a little rubber boot. Well, that's gone. It's completely gone. There's no pin, no rubber boot. So I've ordered a new one. The new one is here. I'll show it to you. Hopefully it's the right one. But that's the new one right there. There's your model numbers and part numbers. It's a Dorman. So you can go to dormanproducts.com and order this. This particular one's for a 2014 F250 6.7 diesel Powerstroke. But Dorman makes vehicle parts for everything. So it came in today, and I've got to pull this off, which should be very easy to do. I think it's just one bolt right here. Pull this wire out, the connector out, take this bolt out, and we're going to put our new one here right in place. And it looks like it does match. It is identical to this one, but you can see here, this is your pin that goes up and down. That's your sensor. The hood closes down on this, right? That's gone, broke, busted. And there's one bolt here that I'm going to undo. That's a number 12 metric. I'm going to take that off with a wrench. You can, if you disconnect this, you should, and pull that out. I should go get my tools for that, but let's see if I can get it out without my tools and not break it. But I've got new ones. If I do break it, not a problem. It isn't that big of a deal. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my, it's gonna break. I can feel it already. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this off first and then see if I can pull that out. So let's get it out. Got my number 12 here. This little ratchet makes it, or wrench makes it easy to get in these tight little spots. As you can see, if I pop this out now, I would be able to get a socket in there, maybe with a 1/4-inch drive. But this is a little easier, I believe. It's tight, but it's coming out. I apologize for this wind. We probably got 30-mile-an-hour winds gusting out here right now. It's brutal. Beautiful day, but a crappy windy day. And we almost got it. It ought to be pretty simple like this on just about any vehicle. These are not complicated. I do not want to drop that. Otherwise, I'll be fishing down there, right? I don't want to go fishing. Oh, it's at a tight spot, though. I can't get it yet. That's one of those metal bolts, if you know what I'm talking about. It probably has that tapered in on it. Huge threads. I'm getting there, man. Don't want to drop this. I'll drop it and I might get ticked off. I think I got it right there, yeah. That sucker's long, man. Look how long that is just for that. It's going through maybe a 1/8-inch thick piece of plate or mounting bracket. But anyway, that's out. And this ought to pop off. There we go. Yeah. Now let's see if I can get a better handle on this and get that out. And without breaking it, I might need some needle nose to push to squeeze it. If I break it, I'll either replace it or I'll just zip tie it. Won't matter. But we got it. Here's the old one. All busted up. And I'm gonna stick the new one back in. I don't know why that wire was tied around that. It ain't going anywhere. We'll get that wire out of my way. Somebody zip tied it around here. I think that's part of my alarm system wiring. I'm not gonna put that back in there. Yeah, that bolt gets pretty tight. Let's switch this around. And now we're going to reverse our wrench. And we're gonna put that booger in there. A lot easier like this. You might want to try to take that off first. I don't know. Anyway, you saw this. I wasn't filming. I've been done with this all in about 3 minutes. But we do want to position it correctly. And it does fit a certain way. You can feel this little bracket on the side. I'll show you all that. This right here goes that way. That right there does fit in a little slotted area over there. So it goes in one way. Make sure you have it in that proper position. Some of these are adjustable. I don't believe this one is. The one of my Dodge or my Ram 1500, it's got a screw up top and a screw underneath the bracket, and it is actually adjustable in how low or high you need it to match the hood properly when it's closed. This one doesn't appear to be adjustable, so it goes in one way and that's it. I don't want to over tighten anything. So we got that. And we got that clipped back on. Your wiring harness is hooked back in. And I'm going to snap that back in right there. And it's still somewhat good. Shouldn't be a problem. That's it, guys. Rich's Rants. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Go check out other videos. I've got all kinds of do-it-yourself videos and product review videos. Go check them out, man. Like I said in my description on my YouTube channel, I'm always doing stuff like this pretty much every day. And if I can or think about it, I'm going to do these little quick videos on DIYs, do-it-yourself videos. It might help you out in getting the right part for your truck. This is for the 2014 F250. I don't know if that goes on any other Fords. I'm sure these things probably cover a few years. Hell, they may be the same on today's trucks. Who knows on something simple like this. But that's it. It went right back in the spot of the original one. All right, and to show you that it does in fact work, let's because my alarm system wouldn't work before with the remote start because it always thought the hood was open. So we're going to lock the truck. I'm going to hold the hood down, and my remote here says that it's now locked. It doesn't say my hood is open like it did before. And I'm going to hit the remote start. That's working. And we're good to go again. And if I release it, the truck should shut down for safety reasons. There you go. My alarm and all that's back to working like it should. So now my hood closes and says it's closed now. My remote, my Viper alarm remote now works properly. My remote start now works properly. And you saw how it reacted when I released this. It thought the hood was open, which obviously the hood's open, but it's what it does. The hood, it indicates that the hood's open. So the alarm starts to signal off because it thinks somebody's breaking into the hood of the truck, right? But the remote actually started. My motor ran. It started up. So good job using the Dorman, guys.